Hello and welcome, my friend. And then I am planning to give you excellent trick hint that in emergency case, how you can open your truck, SUV or cars this tight bolt. Because we have issue that normally this our car's tool is so weak, small, like in my case, and I have flat tire and I have spare tire in my trunk area, but these bolts are so tight. These steel bolts in here, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are maybe 150 Newton meters force. And how I can open these bolts in emergency situation? What is this thing? Okay, there is thing that I install this wrench firstly in this kind of the like plain position. This is mandatory. And then if I have these good quality boots, like these army boots or these cowboy boots, I install my right foot in here and then I totally jump carefully in this only in one foot's force. Let's look at how this happens. Now I install this in here and then I take contact in this car body and I begins in here and then I start to jump. Look. Yeah! And now bolts open. So easy. And let's second one again in that position in here. And I can also use these boots so that I hit in here then that way. But this is a little bit dangerous, but this jump thing is better that I jump in here and I take car body and roof and door in position and then I start to ooh yeah. And if I lift and my weight is same like Arnold Schwarzenegger, 300 pounds when I have eat a lot of burgers, but Arnold is now only 200 pounds in today's, and because Arnold is athletic man, and I can jump in here and now bolts opens. This was this trick, and use your high quality these boots or army boots and all bolts opens.